Imagine your GPS bugged out. Instead of calm directions, it just shouts random street names. The information's there, but scrambled like that, it's useless. That's exactly how your audience feels when you churn out content for views instead of creating content with purpose. They're getting information, but no guidance. And when that happens, they stall out, take wrong turns, or worse, they look for someone else to guide them step by step. Here's the thing. Your content is either noise or it's navigation. And navigation matters because every potential client is on a journey. There are 5 stages to that journey. The first 3 that lead them to purchasing are 1, awareness, when they realize they have a problem. 2, consideration, when they start searching for potential solutions. And then 3, decision, when they're weighing their options and deciding who to trust. If your content doesn't meet them where they are in that journey, they'll feel lost. So instead of random posts, think of each piece of content as a signpost along the road. In the awareness stage, your content should spark curiosity and help them name the problem. In the consideration stage, your content should build trust and show them the different paths forward. And then in the decision stage, your content should clear up objections and make it easy to choose you with confidence. When you line these up in order, you're not just creating content, you're guiding people step by step toward a destination, the decision to work with you. Content shouldn't be chaos, it should be purposeful. Every post can either confuse or clarify. And when your posts act as signposts, your audience keeps moving forward confidently until they're ready to say yes. So here's my challenge. Look at your last few posts. Were they random street names or were they guiding signposts?